Hello everybody, today in this video I will show you how to easily recover WhatsApp view once photo. So let's jump right into it. First, go ahead and open WhatsApp. Let me go ahead and open a view once photo just like here. I'm going to tap on it. Now as you can see here, once it's opened, I cannot open it again. From here, go back and then tap on the three dots on the top right corner, go to settings, tap on chats, and then go ahead and tap on chat backup and then do the backup. Wait for a couple seconds. Once the backup is done, go ahead and quit the application. Go to your files manager, go to your Android folder, and then tap on media. From here, rename the com.whatsapp folder. I'm just going to remove the O. After that, I quit, and when I install WhatsApp completely, once I install it, I go back to Play Store to install it once again. Now, once it's installed, open it and then set up your profile once. You are in this screen right here. Go ahead and tap on restore. Wait for a couple seconds. Tap on next. Proceed in setting up your profile. And then once it's opened, quit. And you'll find everything here in this folder again. And that's how we do it. Guys, I hope this video was helpful. Please like and comment down below. Don't forget to subscribe.